Assalamu alaikum, students. Hope all of you are well. Today, I am going to solve another math for all of you. And this is math number 16 from SSS 12, page number 304. So the question is, D, E, and F are the middle points of the side BC, CA, and AB of the triangle ABC respectively. Number one is express AB in terms of vectors PE and CF. Number two is prove that AB vector plus B vector plus CF vector equal to 0 vector. And number three is prove with the help of vectors that the straight line drawn through F parallel to BC must go through E. This is math from exercise. Okay, so the triangle will be like this: A, B, C, and D is the midpoint of BC. E is the midpoint of CA, and F is the midpoint of AB. Okay, this is the question. Now we have to prove AB in terms of B and CF. So we can write question number 1 from 16. Question number 16. 1. So at first we will uh, make a triangle ABC, and midpoints are D, E, and E and F. E and F. We will write join A to B, A to D, B to E, and C to F. Ensure that both three lines meets at a point. Okay. So AB, we will give arrow sign. Yeah. Okay. Now in triangle ABE, in triangle ABE, in triangle ABE, we can write ABE. Okay. ABE. So here the arrows are like that. That means AB vector plus B vector equal to A vector. Now AB vector equal to A vector minus B vector. Again, AE vector, as E is the midpoint of AC, so we can write half AC vector. Half AC vector minus B vector. Keep the side note, A vector equal to half AC vector. And then now we can write AC vector equal to AF vector minus CF vector. Minus CF vector. AC minus CF. How? AC, AF, CF. A, B, F. So this is AC, AC, A, C vector equal to AC vector plus CF vector equal to AF vector. And from this, we can write AC vector equal to AF vector minus CF vector. Okay, so you do not need to write this. I am solving this triangle to ensure that in triangle AFC, AC vector equal to AF vector minus CF vector. Okay. Now, AF vector is half of if. Okay. AF is half of if, half of AB vector minus CF vector minus B vector. So we can write AF vector equal to half of AB vector. So now AB vector equal to 1 by 4 AB vector minus half CF vector minus B vector. Now take 1 by 4 AB vector to left side. AB vector minus 1 by 4 AB vector equal to half minus half CF vector minus B vector. So from here, you can write 3 by 4 AB vector equal to minus half CF vector minus B vector. Now, AB vector equal to 4 by 3 minus half CF vector minus B vector. That means AB vector equal to minus 2 by 3. We multiply this one minus 2 by 3 CF vector minus 4 by 3 B vector. And this is the answer. Okay. And now we will go to question number 2. Prove that AD vector plus B vector plus CF vector equal to 0. So similarly, we will draw that triangle again. A, B, C. To draw the figure using scale and pencil. So this is D, E, F. Okay. So now we will find out vector AD in triangle ABD. In triangle ABD, you can write AB vector plus BD vector equal to AD vector. Now we will write AB vector plus BD is half of BC. So half of BC equal to AD. That means AB vector plus half of BC we can write from ABC vector ABC triangle AB plus BC equal to AC. That means BC equal to AC minus AB. You can make this part as rough. Means AC minus AB equal to AD. Now AB vector plus half of AC vector minus half of AB vector equal to AD vector. So AB vector minus half of AB equal to half of AB vector plus half of AC vector equal to AD vector. Now, half of AD vector equal to half of AB plus AC. Similarly, we can write other two vectors like B vector. Okay? BE vector equal to half of B vector. So from B, there is BC and BA. You can write BC plus BA. And CF vector equal to half of CB plus CF. So now AD vector plus B vector plus CF vector, that is LHS, equal to half of, if we take half common, then half of AB plus AC plus BC plus BA plus CB plus CF. Now, AB plus AC plus BC, here we can write BA vector as minus AB vector, minus BC vector, and minus AC vector. So, if we subtract all this vector, there will be zero vector. That means if we multiply zero vector with half, there will be zero. That means LHS equal to RHS. So this will be proved. Yeah. So now go to next math. And this is question number 3. Proof with the help of vectors that the straight line drawn through F parallel to BC must go through E vector. So let's go to question number 3. Going to solve question number 3. A, B, C. And we need to find out that T is the midpoint of AB and E is the midpoint of E. So we are told that if EE parallel BC, then E is the midpoint of E. We prove that E is the midpoint. It is given that D is the midpoint. We need to prove that E is the midpoint. So join D comma E. Now, suppose we will think that E is not midpoint. We will think that F, another point, suppose F is the midpoint. This is a hypothesis that suppose F is the midpoint of AC, not E. And suppose F is the midpoint of AC. So now we can write join D comma F. Join D comma F. So in this case, we can write here now AD equal to AD vector equal to half AB vector, and as F is the midpoint, that's why AF vector equal to half of AC vector. Now we will write in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, AC vector equal to AB plus BC. So AB plus BC. And in triangle DADF, AD vector plus DF vector equal to AF vector. Yeah. So DF vector equal to AF minus AD vector. AF minus AD vector equal to, we can write half of AB minus half of AC equal to half of AB minus AC. Now DF vector equal to half of, from equation 1, something here, AC vector equal to AB minus AC. Half of DC vector. Okay, so DF vector is, but as it is given that, again we can write that, therefore DF vector, DF parallel BC, right? As DF vector equal to half of BC vector, we can write that DF parallel BC. Although in the figure we are not drawing that DF parallel BC, but by hypothesis DF parallel BC. But we are told that DE parallel also BC. So in this case, E is not. That means DE and DF lines both passes through D. That means both lines are passes through D and are parallel to BC. That's why E and F are same point. That means E and F are same point. E and F are same point. That's why E is the midpoint of AC. E is the midpoint of AC. So at first you will take the figure as hypothesis that F is the midpoint, and when you will find that TF is also parallel to BC, and you are given that DE is also parallel to BC. That's why both lines DE and TF are parallel to BC. That's why F and E are not different points. Both are same point. That's why we can tell that E is the midpoint of AC. So this is the class for you, all of you today. Practice this creative portion at home, and if you feel any question, you can ask me. And practice this type of maths at home. From question number 15 and 16, you may get question in both SSC examination, and if you add more to question example 4 and 5, then your practice will be more good. So thank you everyone. Take care. Allah Hafiz.